Hi, welcome to this video series on the preparation for Gmat quantitative reasoning section. Today we will be looking at the topic of mixtures. The quantitative reasoning section has two types of problems, problem solving and data sufficiency. We will be looking at some problem solving problems for our today's topic. Let's begin. So, the first question here says a mixture contains nothing but water and acetone in the ratio of 1:2. After 200 ml of water is added to the mixture, the ratio of water to acetone is 2:3. What is the original volume of the mixture? Okay. So, the original mixture has water and acetone to the ratio of 1:x. So, let us say water is x, then what will acetone be? Acetone will be 2x because it is in the ratio of 1:2. Now, 200 ml of water is added. So, to x, that is water is x, 200 ml is added plus 200, and after this the ratio of water is to acetone will become 2:3. So, x plus 200 is your new water, but your acetone will remain the same, even AC dash will be same as acetone AC, that is 2x. And now they are saying this ratio has become 2:3. So, you equate it to 2/3 the ratio, cross multiply, you get 3x plus 600 is equals to 4x. So, therefore, if you take 3x to that side, you will have 4x minus 3x, that is x is equals to 600. So, when you are looking at the original mixture, the total volume will be, that is water, the original mixture has water x and acetone 2x. So, it will be x plus 2x, which is equals to 3x, that is 3 into 600, since we got x as 600. So, 3 into 600 is equals to 1800. The 1800 ml, this is the original mixture volume, that is answer is option A. Let us look at the next question now. Two solutions of acid were mixed to obtain 10 liters of new solution. Before they were mixed, the first solution contained 0.8 liters of acid, while the second contained 0.6 liters of acid. If the percentage of acid in the first solution was twice that in the second solution, what is the volume of the first solution? So, you have the first solution, let us say its volume was x, and you have the second solution. What will the volume be? The two solutions were mixed to obtain 10 liters of new solution. That means, the second solution will be 10 minus x, because when you add first solution and second solution, you need to get a total of 10 liters. Therefore, the second solution will be 10 minus x. Now, before they were mixed, the first solution contained 0.8 liters of acid, whereas the second contained 6.6 liters of acid. So, now it has acid is 0.8 liters. So, water will be x minus 0.8, and the second solution had acid as 0.6 liters. So, the water content will be equal to 10 minus x minus 0.6 liters. Now, they are saying that the percentage of acid in the first solution. So, how to calculate that? Percentage acid will be equals to how much acid was there, that is 0.8 by total volume, that is x, into 100 in the first solution. For the second solution, percentage acid will be equals to the amount of acid, that is 0.6, divided by the total volume, that is 10 minus x, into 100. So, it is given that the percentage of acid in the first solution is twice that in the second. That means, 0.8 by x into 100 is twice that of second, that is 0.6 by 100 minus x into 100. 100 gets cancelled, 0.6 gets cancelled 3 times, 0.3 into 2, 0.2 into 0.4 into 2. You can cancel out 4 2 times. So, you have 2 times, it is not 100 minus x, sorry, I miswrote that, it is 10 minus x. We see it here 10 minus x, so the same thing is here 10 minus x. So 2 into 10 minus x is equals to 3x, which means 20 minus 2x is equals to 3x. Taking 2x to the other side, you will have 20 is equals to 5x. Therefore, x will be equals to 4. And what is the question asked? What was the volume of the first solution? The first solution, the volume is x. Therefore, the answer is x is equals to 4. That is option D, 4 liters. Let us look at the next question now. The final exam of a particular class make up 40% of the final grade, and Mo is failing in class with an average of 45% just before taking the final exam. What grade does Mo need on his final exam in order to receive the passing grade average of 60% for that class? So, the total percentage will be calculated by how much? It is final, that is the total, that is final grade. Final grade will be what? It is 40%. This final exam will be for 40% and the rest will be 60%, that is 45% that is before taking the final exam, that will constitute 60% of the final grade. So, that is 60% into his average is 45% up till the final grade plus 40% of final exam, whatever he gets in the final exam. This must be equal to what? It should be equal to the entire percentage must come out to be equal to 60% for him to pass the class. So, let us just cancel out 100 on all sides and you can cancel out 0 also. Now, you have 4 times final exam will be equals to 10 into 60 is 600 minus 6 into 45, that is 6 into 45 is nothing but 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 plus 327, which is equals to 600 minus 270, that will be equals to 330. 4 times final exam will be equals to 330. Cancelling it out, you will have 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 10.5. Final exam is percentage should be equal to 82.5%. That is, answer is option B. Let us move to the next question now. Two different solutions of alcohol with respective proportions of alcohol to water of 3:1 and 2:3 were combined. What is the concentration of alcohol in the new solution if the first solution was 4 times the amount of the second solution? Okay. So, here we can take first solution and second solution. Since first solution is 4 times the amount of the second solution, let us say the second solution is x, then the first solution will be equal to 4x, the total volume. Now, we have the alcohol is to water, the ratio is 3:1 in one solution and 2:3 in the second solution. So, they are asking the concentration of alcohol in the new solution if both of the solutions are combined. So, so let us say alcohol will be equals to 3 divided by the total 3:1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 by 4 into 4x, and water will be 1 by 4 into 4x. So, for the second solution alcohol will be alcohol is to water is 2:3. So, it will be 2 divided by 5 into x and water will be 3 divided by 5 into x. So, they are asking what is the concentration of alcohol and the answer options are in percentages. So, if you add both of these, if you are adding first solution plus second solution, the total volume will become first plus second. The total volume will come out to be 4x plus x, which is 5x, and the total alcohol will be 3/4 of 4x plus 2/5 of x, which is equals to 3x plus 2 by 5x, which is equals to 5 3s are 15 plus 2, that is 17x by 5. This is the alcohol content Now you want percentage alcohol, which will be 17 by 5x divided by the entire volume, that is 5x into 100, which is equals to 17 by x is cancelled, 25 into 100, 25 4 times 100, 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 68%. 68% is the answer, which is option E. This is the volume of total alcohol in percentage of this new solution, first plus second. Let us move to the next question now. A mixture of 40 liters of milk and water contains 10% water. How much water should be added to this so that the water may be 20% in the new mixture? Okay. So, there are 40 liters in which water is 10%. So, the amount of water will be 10% of 40, which is equals to 4. Now, how much water should be added to this so that the water may be 20% in the new mixture? So, you are adding water to this. Let us say you are adding W amount of water. So, this solution, this 40 liter solution plus water is W. So, you want it to be 20%. So, the percentage of water in the new solution will be the amount of water, that is original solution had 4 liters of water, 4 liters plus say W liters of water divided by the entire solution will be now what, 40 plus W, because it also is increasing in volume by W, into 100. You want this to be equals to 20%, that is 20. So, this we can say that 4 plus W by 40 plus W is equals to 0.2, dividing by 100 on both sides. So, you have 4 plus W is equals to 40 into 0.2 is 8 plus 0.2 W, therefore, 0.8 W is equals to, taking 0.2 W we have 0.8 W, and taking 4 on this side you will have 4. So, W is equals to 40 by 8, which is equals to 5. The volume of water that you are adding will be 5 liters. Answer is option B. Let us move to the next question now. Jim needs to mix a solution in the following ratio: 1 part bleach for every 4 parts water. When mixing the solution, Jim makes a mistake and mixes in half as much bleach as he ought to have. The total solution consists of 18 ml. How much did Jim put into the solution? Okay. So, the original ratio that has to be followed is 1 part bleach to every 4 parts water, that is 1:4. But instead of that, he makes a mistake. The resultant of the mistake, you will have the resultant mixture, which is half part bleach. Instead of 1, he mixes only half as much as bleach, and water will be the same, that is 4 parts. So, the water is to bleach becomes half is to 4. It can also be written as 1:8, multiplying 2 on both sides, bleach is to water. So, they are saying the total solution consists of 18 ml. So, if you say that bleach was x ml and then water will become 8x ml, which is equals to the total, which is 18 ml. Therefore, 9x is equals to 18, therefore, x is equals to 2. So, 2 ml of bleach he added. So, the question is how much did Jim put into the solution, that is how much bleach he put into the solution, that is 2 ml. Answer is option B. Let us move to the next question now. A milkman mixes water and milk in a container in the ratio of 2:5 respectively. Initially, he sells the mixture at $30 per liter. After selling 70 liters of mixture, he mixes another 20 liters of water, and then ratio of the water to and milk becomes 8:15 respectively. The new mixture is sold by the milkman at a rate of $75 per liter. If cost of the milk is $27 per liter, then find the profit of the milkman on the whole transaction. Okay. So, the first initially the initial ratio is 2:5. So, let the ratio of water is to milk. So, let us say water is x 2x, then milk will be 5x. If water is 2x, milk will be 5x. Now, he sells the mixture at $30 per liter, okay, and he sold 70 liters of the mixture, and he mixes another 20 liters of water. Now, the new ratio of the water will be equal to what? 2x plus 20 and 2x plus 20, and the milk will be the same, the milk will remain the same, that is 5x. So, he is telling us that the ratio of the water, that is 2x plus 20 by 5x, will be equals to 8 by 15, which means that 5 3s are 15. So, 6x plus 60, 3 into cross multiplying, you will get 6x plus 60 is equals to 8x, 2x is equals to 60, 8x minus 6x is 2x, 8x minus 6x is equals to 2x. So, 2x is equals to 60, x is equals to 30. Now, that means that if we said that after removing 70 ml, he has this 2x and 5x. So, that is what we are considering here, that is what our x is, 2x and 5x was after removing, after selling 70 liters, let us say that it is 2x and 5x. So, the total will be equals to 2x plus 5x plus 70, initial amount which he started out with. So, the initial amount that he started with was 7x plus 70. So, he sold 70 liters, the total amount of money that he makes will be equal to, he sold 70 liters at 30 rupees 30 per liter, and then he came up with a new solution. The new solution was how much? 5x plus 2x plus 20, that will be equal to 7x plus 20, 7 is 30, so x is 30, so 7 into 30 plus 20, that is equals to 210 plus 20, that is 230 is equals to the new solution, new mixture of milk and water, which, so this 230 ml he sold at 25 rupees, the new mixture was sold by the milkman at 25 rupees. Now, we will have to remove the cost of milk that he had to pay. He had to pay $27 per liter, and if you say that the initial total amount, the total initial amount is 7x plus 70, the amount for his milk, the amount of milk will, the ratio will still remain the same. The milk is 5 divided by 7 times 7x plus 20, where 7x plus 70, that is 7 gets cancelled. You have x plus 10 into 5. So, x is 30. So, 40 into 5, which is equals to 200 is the amount of milk initially in the original solution, since the initial ratio of water is to milk is 2:5. So, he had to pay 200 into 27 rupees for the milk. By calculating this, you will have 2100 plus 23 5s, 25 into 3 is 75, 25 into 2 is 50, plus 7 is 57, minus 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 0 0, which comes out to be 2100 plus 2100 plus 5750 minus 5400 will be nothing but 350. So, the total comes out to be 2450. This is the profit that he made on the whole transaction, that is, answer is option D, 2450. So, those were some sample problems on the topic of mixtures. I hope you understood them. Thank you.